Welcome to Aussie Couple Hawaii. This is from Alli's birthday weekend at our stay at the Mantra on Russell in Melbourne. So without further ado, we'll keep it short. Let's do this.
Welcome to our room at Mantra on Russell Street, Melbourne, Victoria. Come in.
And excuse the mess because we've been here for a couple of days. So
We'll start off with the bathroom since we're right here. Entrance, small mirror. Bathroom.
same thing. We've used it because we're staying here.
Shower comes with body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and then we have hand and body cleanser and like a body balm. That's great. Tissues, toilet. Only had 2 towels, which
And one face washer, which was weird.
which was a bit weird. But I mean, you can always ask for more if you need it.
Yeah, it's functional. It's not anything crazy.
Roomy enough too. We've had smaller. A little mini kitchenette, mini bar. You've got 2 cups, 2 plates, 2 saucers.
And surprisingly cutlery, which
2 of each cutlery. I think it's because there were only 2 of us staying here, but microwave, which is great, kettle, toaster, coffee and teas, handy. I mean, considering you eat out nearly every meal when you are doing a short stay, like it's perfect.
Yeah.
Great size king bed, lamps on each side, clock, a little wardrobe. It does have a safe in it.
We'll go from this side. You've got your little luggage stand. Sorry, my hoodie's hanging up because it's wet. Ironing board, safe on the other side. Some shelves, extra pillows. There's a bag with blankets too. But it has been, considering it's freezing outside, it's been really warm in here.
So that's a real nice bonus.
And we haven't had it up high because it's so small. I think it stays really hot. So
Small TV, but again,
it is.
You're not in your room much, so
I don't think it'd be much bigger than like a 32 inch TV. It is tiny. It's like
does the job though.
But compared to what most have now, it's pretty small.
We have a little desk here, light, chair, another chair over here, a bit of a view, no balcony. I like a balcony.
Yeah, I like having a balcony. We thought it might have, but it didn't. It looks like the rooms are on the other side. Some do, but it's a pretty horrible view. Nighttime's not so bad because everything lights up. But you've got Chinatown, literally on your doorstep.
Which is amazing food.
Yeah.
Like
we went last night to, was it Bose, I think it was.
I don't know, but it was some of the best Japanese food I've ever had in my life. I think it was Japanese anyway.
We'll add the food in as well, but it's probably not showing up actually too bad on camera. It actually looks a lot brighter than it is, I think, through the phone, because that's what we're using, because GoPro, useless indoors. But it is definitely not the brightest room, is it? It's very dull.
Yeah.
Like I said, through the phone right now, it's actually looking really bright, and I've got everything possible turned on that we can possibly turn on.
You can also get a buffet breakfast if you pre-book it. It's $28. If you go in there without booking, I think it's $35.
It's 35.
Pretty average. Like, food was good. You can make yourself coffee. Typical buffet breakfast, but it's handy. At least if you don't want to leave the hotel, it's there.
I don't think we would bother again. After going to Starbucks, you can get a coffee and at one of their breakfast burger things for $11.
Big breakfast eaters.
No.
If you're a big breakfast eater,
I think
it's not a bad price for a buffet.
Yeah. Well, because I just woken up when we went down. I don't eat much when I very first wake up. Like, I can eat, but not when I first wake up.
Yeah. But basic room, but clean, tidy, got everything you need, especially if you're only here for a couple of nights. Really great location. Front desk staff were great, really friendly.
We parked in the car park is in the same building as the hotel, which makes it easier, and they've got their own security gate parking in the hotel. We're just hoping we can get the car out tomorrow because it's tight.
Yeah, if you've got a big car, be prepared.
Yeah, our car's big, so we're hoping that no one parks in and squishes us in because we might have fun getting out. But I think it was still like 30 a day.
30, 35.
A night or something, yeah. It's not cheap, but what do? You got to drive in here and you don't have a choice.
Yeah.
But we'll add that in the description anyway. Also, the pricing for the room, I think roughly off the top of my head, it was about $520 for 2 nights, which for Melbourne isn't that bad.
That's pretty good price for Melbourne, yeah.
Yeah, so it's not.
And it's a great location if you want to walk places. Like,
Well,
you can't
even
go
yesterday
wrong.
we had to run to Kmart and we Googled it and there was one literally, 100 meters down the road.
Yeah, it was handy.
So we got 7-Eleven on the corner. There's Easy Marts. There is literally every type of Asian. The whole strip down there is literally just Asian food. The whole area is Asian food. We went to a pub today just for something different. What was it? The Elephant.
Elephant and Wheelbarrow.
Yeah, and like it was really good food.
Yeah, it was
And it wasn't that
great.
bad actually, price wise. I think it was about $30 for my meal, $16 for yours.
Yeah.
Plus a side. But yeah, location wise, awesome so far. No complaints. But like I said, I'll add anything else in the description. And yeah, it's another hotel stay down
So
yet
if you're
again.
looking for a hotel in Melbourne, Victoria, definitely give the Mantra a look into. Great location, good price, especially for Melbourne City. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to us, make sure maybe you hit that subscribe button as well. And thank you for watching.
We will, just on a quick note, we will add in, straight after this, I'll do a walk through and up those stairs to show again where, like, to enter the buffet. I did do a video up there today, just a little quick flicker.
Yep.
But we'll also add that on. So, but like Ali said, like, sub, all the above, and we will be back soon with yet more. So, as you can see, this is standing outside Mantra and Russell. Typical Melbourne weather, as always. So, as you enter here, on the right, you've got your main reception. So anything you need, check in, check out. Straight ahead where the blue screen is where your elevators are, and there's also a little sitting area. So there's not very much in the foyer. So this is your main staircase, which to the right, there is a little coffee station at the right of the stairs. And if you go around to the left, that is where your buffet is situated. I think they also do like a restaurant meal thing too, but I didn't suss much of that out. So you can also access the elevators here, but not that you'd bother when they're on the bottom floor. But I couldn't find the other footage I was trying to find of the buffet. So that right there is where it is. And then you can go in and out your elevator right here. Okay, so real quick, here's a couple of different room setups, from studios to suites. You name it, there's a balcony. We didn't get a balcony. So you've got all your different areas that you can book. We've also got a swimming pool. There is a gym, but I couldn't find any restaurant pictures of the gym. But the pool looks pretty cool. Wish we had got to try that, but we just didn't have the time. So when you go have your buffet breakfast, this is where you go. The inside, found some stock pics of it to throw it for you guys. And I will also add pricing right now. So finally, to stay at 222 Russell Street in Melbourne at the Mantra, our pricing at the time was $456.36 plus $45.64, so a total of Australian $502, which is roughly around 310 to 320-ish American at this time, I think, roughly off the top of my head. So yeah, keep an eye out for our upcoming videos. We've got Disney Aulani from Oahu. We're going to have walkarounds. We've got the hotel, and we've still got a lot of other hotels to add, including Mexico, some more stuff from Florida, from LA. So keep your eyes out, and thank you once again. Like, sub, all the above. Thank you.